So when you're in Cricut Design Space, you can click on File and Make New. And then once you click on your new, you can go over to Insert Shapes. And you can insert a circle, and it'll insert your circle. When you click on it, there will be a bar that comes up. And you click on Edit. And over here you can make it whatever size you want. And then it'll readjust the size. And I'll just bring it up here. And then once you have it still selected, you are going to hit copy, and it's going to make it the exact same size, and you're going to paste it however many times you need. I'm going to do 4. So once you have your 4 objects, your 4 circles, you're just going to separate them. It doesn't really matter. And then at this point, just for the sake of testing it, you're going to have it either hooked up to your machine via USB or wirelessly. And I chose the extra stronghold mat just to be sure that the plastic lays flat the entire time and doesn't pick up during the process and slide around. I think you would prefer the stronghold mat. And at this point, you will hit go. And because of the scrap sizes, I'm going to move around my circles to fit the scrap sizes. And you can just drag them right on here to wherever you want them to be. And then once you have them where you want to go, just so that I have them in plenty of space, I'm going to hit go, and it's going to tell me to wait. And then once it recognizes my machine, it will tell me to set my position. Right now it says the dial is iron on, but I can flip my dial all the way over to custom, and then now on here it's gonna pop up a whole bunch of different ones. So you can do Post-it notes, cardstock, aluminum, metal, aluminum foil, all of these different items and objects. I'm just gonna do the aluminum foil, or no, I'll do foil acetate to see how that goes. And then once you choose it, you're then supposed to line up your mat under each of these notches. And then while pushing the mat, you're supposed to push this button up, and it takes the mat and it pulls it under each of the rollers, so that then the machine is in control. And once you're ready for it, you're going to hit the blinking Cricut light, and that's going to be to go. And then it'll start cutting. So it's doing 2 cuts just to make sure that the cut is thick enough. And you can already see it sliding off. So then it is thick enough. Then once it finishes cutting, you hit the release button and it's going to retract it. And then as you can see, they came up really easily, so that is a good cut for each of them. And then you just peel it up. You don't really need to use the spatula or anything. And you just reload and do however many you need.